hello there. It's a tea time, and I think nothing goes better with your tea than a good slice of pound cake. For this recipe, you will need right here room temperature butter, powder sugar, baking powder added to the flour, sifted flour, room temperature eggs, vanilla essence, and sour cream, which is optional. And that's the temperature you need for your cake, 350. So the first ingredient goes in is butter. Now the butter is important part of this recipe, so make sure you use really good quality butter because all that nice taste depend on the quality of butter you're using. And please don't use margarine for this recipe, okay? So let's go ahead and add the butter to it. Now this is ready, so let's start add sugar. So now that our butter is nicely creamed, we'll start adding slowly sugar. You don't want to dump all sugar at once, so we'll add spoon by spoon. While our butter and sugar whip together, let's get our eggs ready. I like to break my eggs into a separate bowl, so if the shell gets in, it's easier to scoop out rather than just breaking directly in the bowl and then it's just a mess. Now I'm going to add some vanilla to the eggs. Now quantity of vanilla depend on the quality of vanilla you have. If you have really high quality, pure, strong vanilla, I will suggest to use half a tablespoon. But if you have the regular that you find it in the Walmart or some stores, just go ahead and use 1 tablespoon. I always like to coat my eggs with vanilla so that the final product doesn't taste very eggy. When your butter and sugar gets to this consistency, like really nice and fluffy, you can start adding your eggs. Once the eggs mixes with butter, we start adding the flour slowly. Now the eggs won't mix with the butter really smooth, so it's going to look a little curdled, but that's normal. Don't mix too much to get that smooth finish because that won't happen. So let's start adding the flour slowly. So this is how our final batter looks. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the sour cream. If you don't want, you can skip this step, but I like to add little extra moisture to my cake, and that's why I add the sour cream. Now this is how your final batter should look. Really fluffy. Now this is ready to go into the mold. I have my mold ready. I already greased it. So let's put the batter in. Let's smooth out our batter now so it rises evenly. Our batter is ready to go in the oven. Now the time you put this in the oven depends on the type of oven you have. Some oven may take longer or some oven may take shorter time. So start with the 30 minutes and then just use a toothpick and check how long you need. But start with the 30 and I'm gonna start with the 32. So let's go put this in the oven. Here, Our pound cake is ready now. You see that big crack on the top? That means you did a good job. So this is a perfect pound cake. Try it and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.